We're building a berry orchard, and this is how we're filling our beds. These are 11-inch deep Vegega raised beds. They're metal, starting with small twigs and then some good broken down leaves. Now this one's controversial, but we're poor and we're using what we have on hand, and that would be a partial bag of peat moss, some rotted straw, and this Pro Mix. I can get this stuff for $11 a compressed 2 cubic feet bag at Walmart, and it does have things like mycorrhizal inoculated in there, which will help with root development, and then we're adding things like black cow compost and topsoil. The topsoil was $1 because the bag was ripped. It's a little bit sandy, it helps with drainage, and it's a good filler. Now, can you go buy bulk soil and bulk compost nearby? Yep, but for one singular bed like this, that doesn't make any sense for us, and we do not have a truck, so we have to pay a delivery fee or bribe one of our friends with trucks. I've been using the Vegega raised metal beds for over a year now. They're sturdy, they are relatively affordable, and you can get them in a lot of different sizes. So I'll put up on the screen how much it costs us to fill this one singular bed, and stay tuned for us to plant out strawberries and asparagus.